Have you ever experienced missing out on an opportunity because you're a girl or you're a woman? Well, this episode is for you. Welcome to my channel. My name is Jackie D, and my goal is to empower every girl and woman to feel good about herself, to respect herself, to keep that self-esteem, especially because there's just so much negativity around us. March 8th is International Women's Day, and I'm so privileged to celebrate this amazing milestone with you, to show appreciation for what you can do. This year's theme is about gender equality and how important our roles are as women, as girls, in creating a sustainable future. Times have changed, and we women, as you can see, are now enjoying the many different opportunities as we pursue our goals and passions because we know that we are capable. So today I have wonderful women joining me in sharing their messages about International Women's Day and how we can continue to be empowered and to empower one another because we can.
I celebrate International Women's Day because she deserves to grow up in a world without bias, without stereotypes, without discrimination. She deserves to grow up in a world where she can follow her dreams, whatever they may be, and wherever they may take her, without a glass ceiling holding her back. I celebrate International Women's Day because I believe in a gender-neutral world. Break the bias.
I love that gender equality is the International Women's Day theme for 2022. Women face many societal challenges, and I am so inspired by those who've turned those challenges into opportunities and proved that women are every bit as capable. Happy International Women's Day. I am so proud to be part of this sisterhood.
Hi there. My name's Anik, and I'm the artist and owner behind Do-Re-Mi Bracelets, etc., where I upcycle musical instruments, strings, and pieces to create absolutely gorgeous jewelry and other creations. Today on International Women's Day, what I want you to do, what I would like to invite you to do, is to embrace that whole idea behind creation and upcycling. What is actually considered that feminine energy that we all have within us, that ability to transform. Find a way to dance, to move, to make, to create beauty, express your emotions in a new and fabulous way. That is how I hope that you will spend today on International Women's Day, creating beauty all around you. If you look for beauty, you have a much better chance of finding it.
Hi, beautiful women. Today, it's International Women's Day 2022. And I love the idea of the hashtag Break the BAs with the sign like this. I think it's awesome. So I want to talk a little bit about it. I want you guys to imagine a world, an equal world, a world free of BAs, stereotype, and of course, discrimination, a world that is diverse, equitable, and inclusive, a world where differences is valued and celebrated. Yay, let's celebrate us, all of us, specifically us women. Together, we can forge women equalities, equities. Collectively, we can all hashtag break the BAs. Individually, we're all responsible for our own thoughts and action. Thoughts and action all day, every day. I love that one. And we can break the BAs in our communities. We can break the BAs in our workplaces. We can break the BAs in our schools, universities, and colleges. All together, we can break the BAs. Today, every day, on International Women's Day, I want to wish you all to go and break the BAs and beyond.
Hi, I'm Kathy Chena, the Director of Admissions at FDT Academy, where we teach students public speaking and debate. And this year's theme for International Women's Day is Break the Bias. I really love this theme because I think that we need to start this conversation with each other, as well as with women all around the world and men. Breaking the bias means that we need to talk about it in our communities, in our workplace, in our colleges and universities, and everywhere that you can, really. Equity is important to us. Equality is even more important. So break the bias, whether you're at home, you're at the workplace, or anywhere at the end of the day. Because together we all can make a difference. I also believe in talking about this 365 days a year, not just on one particular day. But on March 8th, it's our day. It's International Women's Day. And I cheers to you and myself. Thanks for listening.
Thank you so much to all of these wonderful women who shared their wisdom in this video. I could not be more honored to use my platform so that our voices can be louder. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and comment and share. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I'm coming up with a new video. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. My channel is all about empowerment, and by subscribing, you can help me spread the beautiful message of empowerment. Take care of yourself. Be proud of who you are. Don't ever let anyone stop you from achieving. Bye for now.